Now let us see the next problem type, which is based on the penetration of bullet in a block. A bullet of mass 0.1 kilogram is fired on a wooden block to pierce through it, but it stops after moving a distance of 50 centimeter into it. So we have given a wooden block and we have fired a bullet, and this bullet stops after having a displacement of 50 centimeter inside the block. So this displacement is 50 centimeter. Mass of the bullet is given as 0.1 kilograms. If the velocity of the bullet before hitting the wood is 10 meters per second, so this velocity is given as 10 meters per second. And it slows down with a uniform deceleration, then the magnitude of the effective retarding force on the bullet is x Newton. The value of x will be. So we have to find the retardation. Once we know retardation, we can multiply it with the mass, we'll get the retarding force. So here velocity, this is u and v is 0. Now we can apply third equation of motion. So v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So that will be 0. It will be 10 square plus 2 times, let me take it as minus a, and s will be 0.5 meters. So acceleration comes out to be, retardation comes out to be 100. So the force will be 100 times the mass, so it comes out to be 10, right? So the answer will be 10. Now let us see another problem based on the same problem type. A bullet is fired into a fixed target, loses 1/3 of its velocity after traveling 4 centimeters. So we have given a fixed target. Let us say this is the fixed target and there is a bullet and it loses 1/3 of its velocity. Suppose if it is having velocity u, after penetrating 4 centimeter, its velocity becomes, it loses 1/3, it means u minus u by 3, which is 2u by 3. It penetrates further d into 10 raised to power minus 3 meters before coming to rest. Let us say the bullet has traveled additional distance of d into 10 raised to power minus 3 when it and then it comes to rest. So final velocity is 0. And we have in such questions we should always assume uniform retardation. So let us take the initial instant as O, this is A and this is B. Now I'm going to apply third equation of motion from between O to A and then from A to B.
So before I start solving this, if you're preparing for JEE or NEET and you feel stuck with concepts, strategy, revision planning or question solving approaches, then you can check out Pracbee. At Pracbee, students can book personalized one-to-one mentorship sessions with experienced mentors to get individual guidance based on their own strengths and weaknesses. Now with that said, let's get into the question and see the smartest way to solve it.
So from O to A, I can say 2u by 3 square minus u square is equals to 2a with a negative sign s, and s in this case will be 4 centimeter. Now we can apply the same equation from A to B. So that will be final velocity, that will be 0 minus initial, that will be 2u by 3 square, and this will be equals to minus 2a times d into 10 raised to power minus 3. So this is in meters, so let me convert this 4 centimeter into meters. Now let us take the ratio of these two. So it will be 4 by 9 minus 1 divided by 4 by 9. So u square will get eliminated and 2a will get eliminated, minus 2a, so that will get 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 divided by d into 10 raised to power minus 3. So this will give us 10 in the numerator. So it will be 4 minus, yeah, there is a negative here. So 4 minus 9 by 9 divided by minus 4 by 9. So 9 will get cancelled out. So 40 by d. So it will be minus 5 upon minus 4 equals to 40 by d. So this will give us 8. So d comes out to be 32. So option 4 is the right answer.